Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys to any of you having a Porsche Cayenne, Audi Q7 or Volkswagen Touareg guys. If you need to find where your engine computer is located because you need to remove it to have it repaired or replaced, we will explain where it is located and how to get to the engine computer and what will break if you try to remove it guys. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you need to buy any parts, tools, check out guys the link in the description of the video below. And you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price, quick shipping as well. Number two guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. So all we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's explain where that engine computer is located now. Sometimes they'll go bad, you have the engine computer, you will need to remove it guys to send it for a repair, or you will need to replace it. Now for replacement you will need to do some programming, and we'll have a video coming soon how to program an engine computer on a Porsche Cayenne, so definitely guys check it out. But if you guys look at it, doesn't matter if it's a Cayenne, Touareg, Q7, okay, you will need to come on the passenger side. Doesn't matter which engine you have again. And under that cover usually guys, okay, for the wipers, for instance on the Cayenne you have these two plastic retainers that you need to turn about 90 degrees and then come out, okay, you can see, that way you don't need to remove the wipers. If you lift it up like that, okay, underneath you're going to find your engine computer guys. This is your engine computer. Now what holds that computer in place? You have one kind of like a canal that it slides in on the back side. So I'll get one person just to come hold for a little bit here, okay, so I can explain to you clearly. The canal is on the back side, okay, right there. And you have two clips holding it on the side, okay, like that. And I broke ours. Extremely easy guys. They break so easy that you don't even know about. So those clips guys, okay, they hold the computer down, okay, like that. You will need to just gently pull it up and come out, but they will break. If your vehicle is old, they will most likely break. You have another one on this side, one here. After that you pull it up, okay, and your computer is free, okay, to come out. The only thing that you need to do, you will need to disconnect your wiring harness, okay, and that's pretty simple. Okay, I'm trying to get a good angle so I can show you. Okay, so now right here guys, how are you doing? You need to make sure the computer is loose, nothing holding it, and you need to grab that wire connector, push it a little bit in towards the computer, then start pulling on that tab, and at the same time try to help it come out guys, okay? And okay, you can see it stops, then just try a little bit more. If it doesn't want to come out, reverse it, go back and forth a few times. You may even spray penetrating spray, lubricating spray. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. Okay, so you don't damage guys your computer. And one connector is out, one more to go. Okay, same thing on this side. Okay, just help it a little bit on each side and then start pulling a little bit more guys. Okay, it's a little bit of a tight fit here. Now if it doesn't want to go in, don't force it guys. Why it doesn't want to go out easy? Simply because you have big rubber seals inside. Okay, do you see these ones? Yep, those are humongous guys. So those seals prevent water from getting in the engine computer, but that's how we disconnect it. Now if it doesn't want to come out, okay, and you want to install it now correctly, and if you need to get it loose while it's coming out, use that spray interphone, spray the connectors on the outside, clean the dust off of them, because sometimes you have dust and dirt stuck in them, in the rails, and that will prevent them from coming loose. But we were able to get this one out. So this is it guys, you can see this is the engine computer, okay, that's how we remove it. Pretty much guys, that's how you get it out. If you need yours repaired or replaced, if you need to put a new one, you need to program it guys. Always make sure you don't have dust, corrosion, anything like that here in the connectors as well, and make sure that you don't damage those connectors when you install it. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know, and see you guys next time.